Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming identity and obligations so the termination goes cleanly. Call Jio customer care from the registered mobile, provide account number, and ask for account closure initiation. Once done, request a unique reference ID and estimated final billing date so you can track progress. Make sure to note any early termination fees or deposit adjustments. This prevents surprises. You do this now to create an auditable trail and to protect refundable amounts before moving to equipment return. You proceed by submitting a formal cancellation request through customer care or the Jio app chat from your registered number. State reason and ask for an email confirmation. Once you have the reference ID, request the service termination form or a written release and save screenshots immediately. Make sure to schedule router and set-top box pickup or confirm the authorized return center, because equipment non-return can lead to extra charges. You do this to complete the provider's obligations and trigger final billing. You finish by verifying the final bill and ensuring any deposit refund timeline is documented. Check the account shows pending closure. Once equipment is collected or returned, insist on a stamped receipt or pickup reference and keep that proof. If closure doesn't reflect within 7 days, escalate to a supervisor with your reference ID and call records. Request written escalation notes. This ensures resolution and preserves your rights, because documented escalation forces accountability and speeds up refunds or account deactivation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.